Hi everyone, in this video we are going to break down a beautiful TikZ diagram created in LaTeX. This diagram involves arrows, colored segments, colored connections, and math annotations ideal for illustrating transformations or mapping. Let's go through the code step by step. We start with the basic document setup. We are using the article class and including TikZ package. TikZ helps us draw graphics inside the document environment. We began the TikZ picture where all drawing commands will go. We draw a horizontal arrow divided into three colored segments blue, green, and red. Each represents a region. The final arrow labeled R points rightward, showing direction. Similarly, we draw a second arrow starting at position 7. It has two colored regions, yan and yellow. This arrow is also labeled R and represents a second range or space. Next, we draw three curved arrows between the two main arrows. These represent transformations or mapping. A dashed arrow going from the green region of the first arrow to the yellow region of the second. A red arrow indicating a forward transformation. A green reverse arrow showing inverse mapping. We now draw three arrows from different regions converging at a point. The label d of f is equal to w of f of inverse is placed at the top, possibly indicating a domain image relation. Similarly, two arrows from the second arrow's region meet at point labeled w of t is equal to d of f of inverse. Again, likely referencing functional mapping or dual spaces. Labels x and y is equal to f of x are placed below the respective arrows, representing the input and output of a function. Finally, we label the inverse relation x is equal to f of inverse of y in green and again y is equal to f of x in red, reinforcing the duality of the mapping. We end the tickets picture and the document. That's the full breakdown. This diagram is also a great way to visualize how a function and its inverse work across two ranges. The colors, arrows, and labels clearly distinguish each region and transformation. Try modified it for your own functions or mapping.